We often look to the future for answers, searching for new ideas and innovations that will shape our lives. Yet, in our quest for progress, we sometimes overlook the profound wisdom that has been passed down through generations. But sometimes, the most astonishing discoveries echo wisdom from long ago. The past, with its ancient texts and traditions, can offer insights that are just as relevant today as they were centuries ago. When modern biology aligns with ancient texts, it creates a bridge across time, inviting us to see the world with renewed wonder. This connection between the old and the new reminds us that knowledge is not always linear. Sometimes it circles back, revealing truths that have always been there, waiting to be rediscovered. This is not about superstition, but about recognizing patterns and harmonies in unexpected places. It's about being open to the possibility that ancient observations can complement and even inspire modern scientific inquiry. For centuries, humanity has described nature through faith and science, two paths that sometimes converge on the same truth. Both approaches, though different in method, seek to understand the mysteries of our world and our place within it. This essay explores one such convergence, where ancient scripture and modern biology speak in a surprisingly similar voice. It's a meeting point where curiosity, reverence, and discovery come together. Our journey takes us into the heart of one of nature's most industrious communities, the beehive. Here, the lives of bees unfold in intricate patterns, each action serving a purpose within the greater whole. The bee, often overlooked, holds a special place in both the natural world and the Quran, which highlights its behavior and the healing properties of its honey. Across cultures and centuries, bees have been symbols of diligence, cooperation, and the wonders of nature. Today, science is revealing the bee's world in extraordinary detail, often affirming ancient insights. Modern research uncovers the complexity of their communication, their role in pollination, and the remarkable benefits of honey, echoing what was observed long ago. We'll examine how descriptions of the bee's life, recorded over 14 centuries ago, resonate with the latest scientific findings. These parallels invite us to reflect on the enduring value of ancient knowledge. This exploration invites us to appreciate the beauty of the natural world and to consider that wisdom can be found in the most ancient of stories. By looking back, we may find new ways to move forward, guided by the lessons of both science and tradition. The Quran is not a science textbook. Its purpose is spiritual guidance, not scientific explanation. Yet it repeatedly invites readers to observe the natural world as signs, miracles for those who reflect. These signs are prompts for contemplation, not scientific proofs. Science, too, is the study of signs. Biologists, geologists, and astronomers all decipher clues in nature. When the Quran's spiritual signs align with scientific discoveries, it creates a moment of profound resonance. This isn't about proving one with the other, but about appreciating a harmony between two ways of understanding. When passages in the Quran describe natural phenomena with accuracy, it's not to preempt science, but to inspire reflection. It's as if two melodies written centuries apart create a beautiful chord. This perspective lets us value both spiritual wisdom and scientific achievement, without forcing one into the other's framework. It's an exploration of shared wonder, not a competition for authority. The Quran and science both encourage curiosity and reflection. Together, they invite us to marvel at the world's mysteries. Among the Quran's many references to nature, the bee is given unique attention in Surah An-Nahl. Unlike other creatures, the bee is addressed directly, highlighting its special place in the natural world and in the Quranic narrative. This direct address is rare and signifies the importance of the bee's role, not just in the ecosystem, but as a symbol of divine wisdom and order. The text describes a divine instruction. Take dwellings in the mountains, trees, and what people construct. Eat from all the fruits, and follow the ways of your Lord laid down for you. This command is both poetic and precise, capturing the diversity of the bee's habitats and the breadth of its foraging. This verse accurately notes the bee's habitats: mountains, trees, and human-made hives, covering both wild and domesticated bees. It's remarkable that the Quran mentions not only natural shelters, but also those crafted by humans, reflecting a deep understanding of the bee's adaptability. The instruction to eat from all the fruits reflects the bee's role as a gatherer, collecting nectar and pollen from a vast array of plants. This diversity in diet is essential for pollination, which in turn supports the growth of countless crops and wild plants, making bees vital to both agriculture and natural ecosystems. The phrase, "follow the ways of your Lord," hints at the bees' complex navigation and communication, which science has only recently begun to understand. Bees do not simply wander, they follow intricate routes, guided by instincts and abilities that seem almost miraculous. The Arabic word for ways is plural, suggesting many paths, and made easy implies these paths are accessible to the bee. This subtlety points to the bee's ability to navigate a complex world, finding food and returning home with astonishing accuracy. Modern science reveals that bee navigation involves solar compasses and intricate dances, far from simple instinct. Their famous waggle dance encodes information about distance and direction, allowing the colony to thrive through cooperation and shared knowledge. The Quran's description, written centuries before such discoveries, captures the essence of the bee's remarkable behavior. It is a testament to the depth of observation and insight present in these ancient verses, which continue to inspire wonder today. This convergence of ancient text and modern biology is both precise and profound. It bridges the worlds of faith and science, showing how timeless wisdom can align with contemporary understanding. The divine instruction to the bee not only highlights its extraordinary abilities, but also sets the stage for a deeper exploration of the bee's communication system, a marvel that continues to fascinate scientists and spiritual seekers alike. For centuries, the bee's method of finding and communicating food sources was a mystery, shrouded in wonder and speculation. Early observers marveled at the order within the hive, yet the secret language of bees remained hidden from human understanding. In the 20th century, the Austrian scientist Karl von Frisch made a groundbreaking discovery. He decoded the bee's waggle dance, a sophisticated language that conveys not only the direction and distance to food, but also the quality of the nectar source. This revelation transformed our understanding of bee society. The angle and duration of the dance communicate precise information, allowing the colony to function as a superorganism. Each bee, through this dance, becomes a messenger, guiding her sisters to the best flowers, ensuring the survival and prosperity of the hive. The Quran's phrase, "follow the ways of your Lord," gains new depth in light of this discovery. It suggests a profound harmony between the bee's instinctive behavior and a higher order, as if the bee's journey is guided by an ancient wisdom. The bee's complex navigation and communication are innate, made easy for it by nature. Without maps or compasses, bees traverse vast landscapes, returning unerringly to their hives, guided by the sun, the Earth's magnetic field, and their remarkable memory. Remarkably, the Quran uses female verb forms in its commands to the bee, a detail that stands out in the original Arabic and is often overlooked in translation. Modern biology confirms that worker bees, the ones who build, gather, and dance, are all female. These tireless workers are the architects, foragers, and caretakers of the hive, forming the backbone of bee society. This detail was unknown at the time the Quran was written, as people believed in a king bee. The true nature of bee society, with its female workers and queen, was only revealed centuries later. The male drones serve only to mate with the queen and do no work. Their role is brief and singular, while the female workers sustain the hive through constant labor. The Quran's use of the female gender is a point of scientific accuracy, reflecting a truth about bee society that was hidden from human knowledge for generations. This convergence of language and biology is striking, revealing a subtle alignment between ancient scripture and modern science. The bee's world, as described in the Quran, aligns with what science has only recently uncovered. It is a reminder that knowledge can be found in the most unexpected places, waiting to be rediscovered. It's a testament to the depth of observation in ancient texts and to the enduring wonder of the natural world that continues to inspire curiosity and awe. The Quran states, "From their bellies emerges a drink of varying colors, in which there is healing for people." Honey's color and flavor vary depending on the floral source, a fact easily observed and now scientifically explained. The claim that honey has healing properties has been central to traditional medicine for millennia. Modern science, once skeptical, now confirms honey's remarkable medicinal qualities. Honey's high sugar content, low water, and acidity inhibit bacterial growth. Its most potent property is the slow release of hydrogen peroxide, thanks to an enzyme added by bees. This makes honey a gentle, effective antiseptic, now used in hospitals to treat burns, ulcers, and drug-resistant infections. Studies show honey reduces inflammation, stimulates tissue growth, and speeds healing. The Quran's simple declaration of healing for people is now validated by rigorous research. Ancient wisdom and modern medicine meet in the beehive. Honey's benefits are no longer just folk wisdom, they're scientific fact. The bee's gift continues to heal, just as described centuries ago. Beyond honey, the beehive produces other remarkable substances: propolis and royal jelly. Propolis, or bee glue, is a resinous mixture bees use to seal and sterilize the hive. It's a powerful antimicrobial agent, protecting the colony from disease. Scientific analysis shows propolis contains hundreds of bioactive compounds with antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Humans now use propolis in natural remedies for sore throats and immune support. Royal jelly, a milky secretion, is fed to all larvae at first, but only future queens continue to receive it. This exclusive diet transforms a larva into a fertile queen, while others become sterile workers. Royal jelly is rich in proteins, vitamins, and unique fatty acids, studied for its health benefits in humans. The Quran mentions honey specifically, but the hive's pharmacy is vast, deepening our appreciation for the bee. The beehive is a testament to nature's intricate and beneficial design. The Quran's descriptions of human embryology have long fascinated both commentators and scientists. It describes creation from a nutfa, a drop, then an alaka, a clinging thing or leech, then a mudga, chewed-like substance. Modern embryology confirms these stages. The embryo clings to the womb, resembles a leech, and later looks like a chewed lump. The sequence continues. Bones form, then are clothed with flesh, matching the order observed in development. Such detail and sequencing were unknown in 7th century Arabia. These verses are presented as signs for reflection, not scientific treatises. The Quran's language inspires awe at the process of creation. We created man from an extract of clay, then made the drop into an alaka, then into a mugga, then bones, then clothed the bones with flesh. The harmony between ancient description and modern science is striking. It invites us to reflect on the origins of knowledge. The Quran's Surah Al-Hadid, the iron, mentions, "We sent down iron in which is great might and benefits for people." For centuries, this was seen as metaphorical. Modern astrophysics reveals a literal truth. Iron is forged in the explosions of massive stars, supernovae, and scattered across the cosmos. The iron on Earth did not originate here. It was sent down from space, seeded by ancient stars. The Quran's phrase, "sent down," aligns with this scientific understanding. Iron's cosmic origin was unknown until recently. This is another instance where ancient language anticipates modern discovery. The convergence is both poetic and precise. It deepens our sense of wonder at the universe's interconnectedness. The heart, in many cultures and in the Quran, is seen as the center of understanding and emotion. The Quran asks, "Do they not have hearts by which to reason?" Modern science long viewed the heart as just a pump, but neurocardiology has revealed the heart's own complex nervous system, the heart-brain. This network allows the heart to learn, remember, and influence the brain. The heart and brain communicate in a dynamic two-way dialogue, affecting emotion and perception. The Quran's emphasis on the heart as a center of reasoning now finds a parallel in scientific discovery. Ancient metaphor and modern mechanism meet in a fascinating echo. Both perspectives enrich our understanding of what it means to feel and know. We've seen how the Quran's descriptions of bees, honey, embryology, iron, and the heart align with modern science. Each point could be dismissed as coincidence, but together they form a compelling pattern. Is this harmony a series of lucky guesses, or does it suggest a deeper source of knowledge? The Quran invites reflection, not blind faith, encouraging us to seek signs in the universe and within ourselves. Science and scripture serve different purposes. One explains how, the other explores why. When their insights converge, it creates a powerful moment for contemplation. Whether seen as divine design or coincidence, the sense of wonder is undeniable. The dialogue between past and present invites us all to marvel at the tapestry of discovery and reflection.